Hello, it's Mrs. Irwin again, ready to do our math. So we have been working on things that are the same, that are exactly the same, almost the same, and different. So we're going to move to something a little bit different, but it's still going to help us to know that almost the same, exactly the same, and different. So today our I can is I can classify, which remembers it means just decide. So I can classify items into different groups. So what this means is we're going to sort things that go together into different groups. So I have some different objects that I'm going to show you, and we're going to sort them. So let me show you our sorting. So I have my blue circle here to help us with one group and our red circle to help us with our other group. So a group is just going to be the ones that go together. So we're going to have two different groups when we sort today. When we sort, some other times we'll have more groups, but for today, just the two. So let's take a look. I have some different things. I have some balls. I think that as I'm looking at these, I notice one big difference. One is big and one is little. One is big and one is little. Which one is big? Yeah, the green one. I'm going to put the big one in here. I'm going to put the little one in the other circle. All right, let's check out something else. I have two bears. Is one big and one little? Yeah. Which one is big? The pink bear. I'm going to put him in the big circle with the big ball. And I'm going to put the little bear in the little circle with the little ball. So right now we have big and little. So we're sorting ours by size or classifying them by size. All right. I have two cylinders. They're kind of like little cans. Which one is big? This one. So I'm going to put it with the big group. And which one is little? That one. So I'm going to put it with the little group. I'm going to move the bear back here so you can see the cylinder a little better. All right, one last set of things. I have some triangles. Are one of these big and one of them little? Yes. Here's the big one. I'm going to put the big one in with the big items, and I'm going to put the little one in with the little items. So now we've sorted them into our big and our little. You can pause the video and go in your house and see if you can sort some of your toys as big and little. And then come back for the next part. I'm going to get us ready for the next part, which we're going to use the same things, but we're going to sort them differently. So we did them by size with big and little. Now I want to think about if they're hard or soft. Hard or soft. So let's think. This is my triangle, and if you can tell, it doesn't move or anything. It is hard because it's made out of plastic. So I'm going to put my hard triangle over here. Now I have this little ball, and if you can see, it's made out of string. And look, when I squeeze it, you can see I'm able to squish it. So would that be hard or soft? Soft. So would it go with the triangle? No. The triangle was hard. The ball is soft. It's going to go in its own group. What about our big ball? Do you think it's going to be hard or soft? I know it's a little harder to tell since you can't hold it, but you can see what my hands are doing with it. Do you think it's going to be hard or soft? Soft, because look, I can squish it around all over. It has little packing peanut things inside to make it all soft. So I'm going to put it over here with the other soft item. What about our cylinder here? So I'm going to try to squish it. It's not doing anything. Let's listen. What do you think? Is it hard or soft? It's hard. It's made out of plastic, just like our triangle. So I'm going to add it with our hard triangle. What about our little bear? I'm going to try to squish him. Nope. What do you think? Is he hard or soft? Hard. He is made of plastic and he's hard, just like our other items in this circle, in this group. What about our little triangle? Do you think it's hard or soft? It's hard too, just like our other items in this group. Okay, I have another cylinder. Oh, he is a little squishy. So do you think that he would be hard or soft? It is soft, because I can squish it around. All right, our last thing is our teddy bear. Think about your stuffed animals at home. Are they hard or soft? Soft. So we're going to put them in the soft group. So over here we have our hard things and our soft things. Just like we sorted earlier with our big and our little, we can sort them by how hard or soft. Can you think of other ways we could sort these? You might have come up with a couple of different options. We could move the colors and put but we would need more circles, but we could put the yellow things together and the blue things together. And this one would be on his own because he's pink and black. And this one would be a green one. And then we have a red one. So we could have different groups to sort by color. So you can think about different parts of it. We call these attributes. Attributes are different characteristics, different things about the items. So it could be size, or it could be color, or it could be if it's hard or soft, or if it has straight lines versus curvy lines. There's all kinds of things that we could look at. So anything that we can see on it, we can figure out if that is a way to sort them. So you can go out now and figure out how you can do some different sorting of the toys in your house. And then go on to Seesaw, and on Seesaw I have a sorting activity for you about sorting things that go in a toy box and things that go in a backpack. So we might sort them that way, like where they belong or where we would use them. So you're going to sort toys and things that go in a backpack. So go on there and check that out. Good work today. Keep working hard.